Lejie Sanitary Ware Industrial Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of multifunctional smart intelligent faucets, pull-out basin and kitchen faucets, digital bathroom and kitchen sink faucets, bathroom showers and thermostatic showers. Austler is our trademark brand. We are located in Shuikou Town, Kaiping City, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certification. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, South American, Mid-East, and Asia countries. We also welcome OEM/ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We provide customer with high cost-effective, humanized sanitary ware products with solid technology and practical innovation concept. Culture is the soul of an enterprise. Lejie Sanitary creates military management culture, the same standard as the military, the same warmth as the family. Quality humanization is the foundation of enterprise development. Welcome customers from all over the world to visit Lejie Company. Lejie will be your best business partner. Thank you.